Okay, here we are, example 4. Example 4, I've got y equals positive 36 minus 9x and 9x plus y equals 36. Okay, so this equation here is already solved for y, so I can skip that first step and I can automatically plug this in to my other equation. So I'll have 9x plus 36 minus 9x equals 36. We're going to solve this down for x. 9x minus 9x is 0x, so I'll have 36 equals 36. Okay, if you guys look here, I don't have any variables, and what have we always said happens when I run out of variables? But the statement is true. Yep, that's right. This is infinite solution. So if I look at my graph and I were to graph these two lines, what would that look like? I would be up here about 36, and I'm going down, so it's going to be a negative line like this. If it's infinite solutions, where would my second line be? That's right, my second line would be right on top of this first line. It's the same line. That's why the answer is infinite solutions. Let's take a look at example number 5. Okay, so number 5, I have to pick an equation and solve it for one of the variables. Neither of these are very nice, so let's just go with this first one. And I'm going to go ahead and solve for y because it has the smaller leading coefficient. Divide by 2, and remember you have to divide each piece by 2. Now I'm going to plug this in to my second equation. And solve for x. 6 times 8 would be negative 40. 8, negative 48. The negative 6 times negative 7 halves. Negative 6 divided by negative 2 would be positive 3. And then 3 times 7 would be positive 21x. Negative 21 plus 21, those cancel, and I'm left with negative 48 equals 24. Here we are again. I have no variables, but this time I have a statement that is false. So what has always been my answer? No solution. So in this case, I have two lines that never intersect. They're parallel. They have the same slope. And that's solving systems by substitution. It really does just take the determination to try something and using your skills manipulating equations that I know you all have because we've been doing it for a long time at this point. All right, so give some of these a try. If you have questions, let me know. And you definitely can always check your answers by graphing them using decimals.